Hi guys, today we're going to show you Choco Treasure egg surprises. There's 12 in a box, currently 10, and they have 2. Say hi Isabelle and Sebastian.
Hi. Hi.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah. Open?
Oh yeah.
Yes?
Mm-hmm. Put your garbage on. Ooh, what you got? Open it up, put your chocolate over here. Okay.
Yeah.
Put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket.
Look, it's stuck. How do I open it?
Okay, Sebastian, what'd you get? We got a cool dinosaur guy with a basketball.
I got this one.
It's like a bear with a surfboard. Cool. Alright, try 1, 2. Looks like you got something in there. I'll have to show you guys later. You got a rhino. It looks like he's doing karate. Got a karate rhino. Karate rhino. It looks like you got an eagle with a football. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you what you get out of there. You can get 12 chocolate treasure figurines and 3D puzzles. So we got Karate Rhino, like a football figurine, a superhero flying in the sky, got a hockey, got a monkey figurine, So another karate, chopping some wood. Yeah. Got another superhero monkey. And on the figurines, we got the karate rhino. Got a cool bear surfing. One more rhino. We got a football eagle. And a dragon playing basketball. Alright? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And we will see you on our next video. Bye!